Have you ever thought about relocating overseas to save money and live a tranquil life? Imagine soaking up the sun in Latin America or the Caribbean, where your dollar stretches further and the pace of life is just a bit slower. This isn't just a daydream, but a very real possibility. From the vibrant culture to the cost-effective living, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Today we'll explore the process of migrating to two popular destinations, Colombia and the Dominican Republic. First on our list is the vibrant country of Colombia, known for its rich culture and affordable cost of living. Colombia is a country where the days are bathed in sunshine and the nights are filled with the rhythm of salsa. The cost of living here is remarkably affordable. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in the city center can cost you less than $400 a month. Eating out, a hearty meal at a local restaurant can cost as little as $3. But what about the process of relocating? Colombia has a range of visa options, each tailored to different needs. For instance, the migrant visa is perfect for those planning to stay long-term. This visa requires proof of financial stability and a clean criminal record, among other documents. The cost for this visa hovers around $280. For those looking to retire in the lap of nature, the pensioner visa is an excellent choice. The primary requirement here is a monthly pension of at least 3 times the Colombian minimum wage. The cost for this visa is approximately $260. The Colombian government has also streamlined the migration process, making it easier for foreigners to make this beautiful country their home. With its inviting culture and economical lifestyle, Colombia offers a fantastic opportunity for those seeking a change. Next, we journey to the sun-soaked shores of the Dominican Republic, a Caribbean paradise that combines affordability with a laid-back lifestyle. Imagine waking up to the gentle lullaby of the ocean waves, the sweet scent of tropical fruits wafting through the air, and the promise of yet another day in paradise. That's life in the Dominican Republic. The cost of living here is surprisingly affordable, with a lifestyle that encourages you to take it easy and savor every single moment. The local customs are as warm and inviting as the tropical climate. Here, the rhythm of merengue and bachata music fill the air, and the locals welcome you with open arms and heartwarming smiles. But what about making the move? Well, migrating to the Dominican Republic is a fairly straightforward process. Several visa options cater to different needs, ranging from temporary residency for those who just can't get enough of the tropical bliss, to permanent residency for those who have fallen in love with this Caribbean gem. The necessary documentation largely depends on the type of visa you're applying for. However, the good news is that the Dominican Republic has a relatively easy and transparent immigration process. As for the costs, well, it's all part and parcel of relocating to a new country, but rest assured, the investment you make towards your move will be rewarded tenfold by the rich experiences and tranquil lifestyle that await you in the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic, with its tropical climate and easygoing lifestyle, is yet another attractive option for those considering an international move. Relocating overseas is a big decision, but with the right information and guidance, it can be a rewarding experience. In the past few minutes, we've journeyed through the vibrant landscapes of Colombia and the Dominican Republic, two gems of Latin America and the Caribbean. We've seen the potential for a tranquil, cost-effective lifestyle and explored the steps necessary to make such a move. Let's recap. Colombia, with its rich culture and affordable living, is a fantastic choice for those seeking a sustainable lifestyle. Remember, the migration process involves applying for a specific type of visa, such as a work or retirement visa, and these come with varying costs. The documentation process may seem daunting, but with the right preparation, it's entirely manageable. On the other hand, the sun-soaked beaches and laid-back lifestyle of the Dominican Republic may be more your speed. Here, the migration process is similar, requiring specific visas and documentation. The cost of living is also quite reasonable, making it an attractive option for those looking to stretch their budget further. The benefits of each location are plentiful, from the lower cost of living to the opportunity to immerse oneself in a new culture. But remember, it's vital to ensure all paperwork is in order before making the move. With careful planning and an adventurous spirit, a tranquil and cost-effective life awaits you in Latin America and the Caribbean. It's not just a dream, it could be your reality.